So in this video, I will tell you tips and tricks on how you can get organic Facebook followers. Organic Facebook followers, not just followers. You know, say there's a difference between organic Facebook followers and just followers. When we say just followers, followers that you pay and get followers, or you do follow for follow, or you just find one shortcut to get your followers. That is just followers. When we say organic followers, are followers that they followed you deep down from their mind. They followed you based on what they learned from your content. That's what we call organic followers. And organic followers are followers that always used to come back to your page or Facebook profile each and every time to look for something valuable in your page or in your profile. Those are called organic followers. So without wasting much of your time, I will share the tips and tricks on how you can gain those organic followers in a short period of time, like very fast. But before you go there, try and like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video so that some thousands and millions of people will engage, will benefit from this video. So number one, for you to get organic followers, these are tricks, 5 tricks I am going to share with you. Number one, post consistently. Regularly share content that resonates with your audience. This keeps your page active and visible in people's feed. Always be consistent. Always post a picture. You can post a picture, you can post a written content, you can post a video. It's not something that you will post today, then you now leave it till next week before you post. You are not consistent. But when we say consistent, just keep on posting each and every day. Keep posting so that new people will be seeing your content. So number 2, quality content. Quality content. Always create a content that is informative or entertaining, or it should be valuable to your audience. This includes something like articles, something like video, something like infographics or polls. Always make sure your content is very quality. Make sure your content is delivering information to your audience or entertaining, something like comedy. If you are into comedy, you are under entertaining content, and entertaining content must make your audience to laugh. While they are in sad mood, they should laugh when they watch your video or when they read your content. Then we will say valuable content. Valuable content is something like tutorial. Make sure your content is very valuable. Then we move to number 3. Engage with your audience. Respond to comment and message promptly. Encourage discussion and interaction on your post. Yes, there are so many people that when you comment on their video, on their post, they don't like to reply. That one, you are decreasing your audience. But interact with them, engage with them. Immediately you see comment, reply to that comment. Then conversation will start in the comment section. That is how you are going to maintain your organic followers. Then number 4, use Facebook Insights. Analyze your page performance to understand what type of content are working best and when your audience is most active. Yes, understand, analyze your page so that you know when your followers are online, and again, the type of content that they would like to watch, the type of content that they would like to rate, or the type of content that they would like to engage. So when you see the one that they like, your audience like the most, then you will now focus on that specific content, so that you maintain your followers and you get more new followers to engage. Then number 5, collaborate with others. Partner with influencers or other pages in your niche to reach new audience. Yes, collaboration always bring more followers, always boost your followers. Yes, because when you collaborate with some influencers, that is when you are going to be known. That is when some other new followers will notice about you, then they will now follow you. If this is the first time you are watching video in this channel, like this video, subscribe to this channel. I have a lot to share with you guys that will that will benefit and add more spices on your content creation journey. Don't forget to subscribe. I remain AzZubair Umar. Thank you guys.